Hello everyone, welcome to Mayhob Engineering Services Office. In this video, we would like to present the currently available services at our office. We provide design services and prepare all the necessary structural calculations for your project according to the applicable building codes and standards. Additionally, we offer our clients detailed shop drawings to facilitate the fabrication and erection stages of the project. These drawings provide comprehensive and precise information, ensuring smooth and efficient execution of the construction process. We have extensive experience and a strong network of fabricators, particularly in Saudi Arabia and Egypt. Our expertise in collaborating with various fabricators enables us to support you in constructing your building seamlessly and without encountering any significant issues. We will ensure a smooth coordination between all parties involved, streamlining the construction process and delivering a successful project outcome. Due to our involvement in major projects and the presence of multiple consultants with precise requirements, we are pleased to offer you technical support services and attend any meetings related to the construction field. Our team is experienced in providing comprehensive assistance, addressing any technical challenges, and ensuring effective communication among all stakeholders involved in the project. We are committed to supporting you throughout the construction process and contributing to its successful completion.